Alright, so here's another problem from that same review worksheet. This time we're looking at one where it's still in that rational category, but now we have two fractions that are being added. Remember that with fractions and addition and subtraction, the first thing that we need are like denominators. So take each denominator and factor it. This first one factors to be x plus 3 times the quantity x minus 3. That's that difference of perfect squares. The second one is hopefully a good familiar one, positive 1. So plus 4 and x minus 3. Once we have this, then we know that our common denominator is a multiplication of all of the factors. So we need to have x plus 3 times x minus 3 times x plus 4. That's our common denominator. This first fraction is missing the x plus 4 part, so we'll multiply by that. So we'll multiply the denominator by x plus 4, and we also need to multiply the numerator by the quantity x plus 4. The right side fraction is missing the quantity x plus 3. So if we multiply the denominator by x plus 3, we also need to multiply the numerator by x plus 3. Up top, we've got some distribution going on there. The first one is x times x plus 4. You know, I think I'm going to write it as a separate step here so you can see what's going on. So we have x times x plus 4 plus 2x times x plus 3. And all of that is over the common denominator, x plus 4 times x plus 3 times x minus 3. As long as I have all three factors, then I know I've done that properly. So now we need to multiply. X times x plus 4 is going to give us x squared plus 4x. And, 2x times the quantity x plus 3. So plus 2x squared plus 6x. All over that lovely denominator that I'm not going to write again because my computer is being slow. So now let's do some simplifying. 3x squared plus 10x all over x plus 4 times x plus 3 times x minus 3. And when we look at that numerator, we could factor it, although it's not going to be very purposeful for us this time, so that either of these next two lines would be acceptable. You could also write x times 3x plus 10 over that hideous denominator, which was x plus 4 times x plus 3 times x minus 3. I think I might have missed a 3 in there when I was writing. But like I said, my computer's a little slow at the moment. Got too much open and too much going on. Yep, I did miss. I thought I missed a plus 3. X plus 3. And I missed a parenthesis as well. So either of these two would be acceptable final answer.